Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to zoom in on Windows. So let's begin the video. You can use keyboard and mouse to zoom in. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard. Now scroll up with your mouse wheel to zoom in. Keep scrolling until you reach your desired zoom level. And there it is. There is another way to zoom in on Windows. You can use keyboard shortcut. Just simply press Ctrl plus key to zoom in. Keep pressing until you reach your desired zoom level. To reset the zoom level, just press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard. And that's it. Now you know how to zoom in on Windows. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.